close of this bar, 17, so B17 would be where I'd want to go along right here. So should be filled. Don't know why I'm not filled. Kind of strange. So not sure why I wasn't filled on this. Price is just stalling, but taking a quick look at this Russell, this would have been an entry here at 22.6. So there would be, I'm not going to take that, it's right near the high of the day, and it's way far away from this EMA. Okay, so now I'm filled on this thing, and I'll pause it and come back. Well, looking at this order here, what I don't like about this trade is the higher time frame. So, if you're looking at the 30-minute chart, this is clearly in a downtrend. Be nice to get a pullback, to the EMA here, but 60-minute chart is the same way. The 5-minute chart looks like it's turned and it's still above the EMA. So you just get all these conflicting indications as to whether you should go long or short depending on the time frame you're choosing. And on the Russell here, had we taken that, we would have been filled, and at 05 and we'd high of the day, and we'd have a few ticks to the good, and there it goes, making new highs. So this thing's kind of stalling. I might consider tightening up my stop here. Volume's dropping off, and the other currencies are kind of flat. So that Russell took off. I wanted to say there was one thing that I did like about this trade, and that was this double bottom right here. So we did get a higher low pivot above the EMA, and pull back on lighter volume. I don't like this volume dropping off right here, and I don't like that doji, but we'll see how this bar closes. Got 15 seconds here. We came within one tick of going to break even +1, so we do have a higher low on a decent volume bar, which is a good thing. So I think I'll move my pivot or my stop up here under this one well, let's just keep things the way they are. So the plan is when it gets to 8 ticks, then we go to break even +1. So let's just stick with that. I guess one thing I didn't really address here is the target. Where do I think this is going? So if I get a failed, if it doesn't break this, then that's a bad thing. So it's at least got to get up to here. So we're looking for this thing to push up to there, and it doesn't appear to be doing that. Still got a minute and a half left on this bar though. And the other currencies, well, most of them are falling, which is not a good thing for us. Let's just go to break even +1. I wanted this thing to, after this bar, to show a little bit more energy and getting up there. So it really needs to get up past 24 for us to have a decent trade. Because right here is a double top, and that's what we're looking for. If it breaks that, then it could continue on. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to head down. And looks like here comes the stop out here at break even +1 probably. There it is, stop out, and I think we're at break even +1.